Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Camille. I'm also known as New Age Vibes. On this channel, we'll be discussing on how to make money online, both actively and passively. So if you like to make money online, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so that you could get notified whenever I drop videos like this. Now, we are talking about Picoworker today. Picoworker. Picoworker is an online website where you make, where you work and earn, and mind you, you don't pay a dime. All right, you don't pay a dime on Picoworker. They pay you for working. All right, you just perform on little taxes, and then once you are done, you submit it. Then, boom, you are good to go. So on this particular video, I'll be showing you how to complete tasks. Later I'll be navigating through to show you how other things work on it. All right, but for today's video, I'll be showing you how to navigate through, how to perform a task on this Pico worker. All right, so when you log in, this is what you are going to be seeing. All right, this is what you are going to be seeing. You'll be seeing something like, if it's on a PC, everything will be displayed at once. So now you want to what? You want to perform a task. You click on category. All right, now on this category, the one people do most, the one that is usually common, is what? Is this SEO. You can see it, SEO. So you click on it, then you click on what? Apply. All right, click on apply. Now I want to, it's going to reload, and look at, it's showing 616 results. Now you can scroll down and check any of the tasks you think you can do. So let's do this one. So we are entering now. Now look at what they ask us to do. This is a task. This is number 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. Then look at where we are going to submit the task, the proof. All right, so what is the first one? They said go to this. So what we are going to do now, we are going to go to it, and what, we are going to open it. They said visit any 7 recent articles from my website. All right, so when we do that finish, we are still going to follow this post here, this note. You can just read it on your own. So the main point is, I just want to complete a task so I can understand it. So now you click on this go, you long press it, and what, and copy it. All right, or after you might have copied it, you can just open, like, you can search on what? Web. Okay, so you can just search on web. So web search, right? Just click on web search. You know that we have already copied it, so it's not showing. So you can just come up here, google.com, click on it and paste it there. All right, sorry, paste it there. Okay, paste and go. Now we have opened a new page. Now look at what they asked us to do. They said in number 2, they said visit any 7 recent articles from my website. So we'll go there. Look at where I'm navigating through. You can see under. So you come to the first one. That means we are going to open different pages on different tab. That's what I do to make it faster. You understand? You need to be smart. So you just open it on different tabs so that to be faster for you. So what you just do is you long press, and anyway you see, okay, you long press this, then you open a new tab. You can see it, new tab, open. It has opened under. That is 1. You know they are supposed to open 7 times, right? So you come here again, long press, and open a new tab, 2, like that 7 times. All right, 3, 7 times, 4, 5, 6. Then this is 7th one. Good, good. You can see them under. So now let's go back to the previous post. So let's see what they asked us to do. They said okay, okay, what I like to do is I like to fulfill this number 1 and 2 first. They said copy URL of the second article you visited. So you come here. This was the first one. You see, this is the first one, this is the second one, right? So you now come up here. This player is showing flash learners. All right, you click on it, then you copy it. You copy the link. Look at the link here. Copy it, then you go back, then you come here, this place, this one, come here and you paste it there. That's what they're asking. You paste it there. So the next one is copy the last paragraph of the 4th post. Okay, this is the first one. You know, this is the first one here, second one, third, and 4th. All right, so they say we should copy the last paragraph, right? So you go down and look for the last paragraph. Look for the last paragraph and you copy it. It's as simple as that. It's not hard. So this is the last paragraph. I heard this one are rubbish. So you can just come to number 4 and click on it, and you can just copy it. All right, copy, then you go back to the main site and paste it there. Now they said URL of the last post you visited. All right, the URL of the last post I visited. So we come to the number 7th post, right? You click on it, then we click on this flash learners. All right, and you copy it, then we'll go back and paste it there. As simple as that. All right, so now let's check the number 4. They said what? Look at it. This is the number 3. They said okay, so be honest and do the work so we can requirement. Okay, what we are going to do in number 4 now is that we are going to this place. Normally we are supposed to what? We are supposed to we are going to click on this place. You can see this number 3. We'll copy it, then we'll now go and open a new tab, right? A new tab, and paste it there. You paste it there. Let's see what they asked us to do. Now you can see they said job description. Click on one banner. All right, click on one banner ads and visit 2 pages from there. That is a must. One banner. So what we are going to do now is that we'll go back to any of those 7 pages we've opened before, or any of the banners here. We can just do it here. Any of the banners here. You can see Facebook, you can see lights, short, and the likes. So you can click on it. Then what they asked us to do, they said submit URL of inside the ads page you visited. Okay, what we are going to do now is that the first one is said the proof number 1 said submit URL of ads page you visited. Now we click on this one and this light short. You can just click on it. You can just open it. Okay, what we'll do now is we can just open this one on a new tab. Okay, let's click on Facebook on a new tab. All right, so this is it here. All right, so what we'll do now is we'll go up this Facebook site that URL, you copy it and you come down, come here and come and paste the first link. You know they ask us to paste two links, right? So you enter, then you go back and copy again. You go back, then you come to this place again, this Facebook. You can just say what okay, you can come here and you can just click on any ads there, any ads. Okay, okay. uh So they say inside the first one I click, that we should click another link, another post on the from the inside, then we can copy the link. So we can just click on this. All right, did you see what I clicked? You can just click anything. I clicked this rubbish here. You click it, then you just copy the URL. That's all, as simple as that. You are done. You are done. So when you are done with this, you just submit. You see I've posted it here, I've pasted it there, so you can see now. So we just click on submit. So go back to the work page. That's how to complete a task, and automatically it's going to be on pending. At least it takes up to 24 hours to approve your work. All right, so thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you want more of this, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. On my next video, I'll be walking you through how everything works on Picoworker. If you have not registered on Picoworker, you can check the description below and click on the link. It's somewhere there around the description. All right, click on it and register. Picoworker has been in existence since 2013, so it's almost 10 years now. So you can just click on it and register. Then you will see my Telegram group there, the link. Just click on it and join. My money making WhatsApp group. You can join my community also, so that you can ask questions and people are there to answer you. I think that will be all for now. You can also chat me up on WhatsApp. My number is also in the description below. All right, so thanks for watching my video. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel.